welcome back to another video. I guess it's obvious what we're doing today. We are packing our things. Yesterday I ordered like these boxes. I honestly couldn't find like any boxes around like the neighborhood. You know, I checked supermarkets, I just didn't want to spend more money, you know. Especially that moving out is pretty expensive. Like, I had to do this during the weekend, so by the time you post this, I would be already like in my new apartment. So let's pack our things. So when I ordered like the boxes, they come like this, and you just like have to, you know, open them up and turn them into an actual box. I don't know how to explain this, but so I just finished making the boxes. So we're going to start with my bedroom, just like to get the books out of the way. I'm going to be packing my clothes because I don't have like, you know, a lot of luggage. I just have one and it's not even mine, and it's small and it's broken. So yeah, I'm going to also put my clothes in these boxes. I'm going to try to fit them all, but I guess I have like enough boxes. I purchased like these 5 ones. They come together and they also give you 3 tapes with them. So yeah, we're starting with the bedroom. We get rid of the books, then we're going to get rid of the clothes, and then I'm going to be moving to the kitchen, just like to pack some of the dishes and stuff like that. And yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my books. I'm going to be trying to fit them all in one box. I don't think that I'm going to be able to do that. I have a lot of books, but yeah. I have like these extra ones. I'm going to be like cutting them and using them as like covers for my dishes. Yeah. But the thing is, I don't have scissors. I'm pretty sure I have like a pair, but I'm not sure where I put them. Oh, I guess I actually put them. See, this is what I actually feared. I feared that I would like pack things and then I forget something, and now like I can't do anything. Like I don't have the effort to open the box again and look for scissors. And then imagine I don't even end up finding one. So this is the only thing I have right now. And I'm afraid that it's going to break. No, actually it's not. It's not terrible. It's doing a job. So this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna create the shape of it and then put it like this. You see my vision, right? This is what I'm trying to do. So this is what I did so far. I just like put the plates, like I created like some kind of a shield for the plates, and I put those like small containers in there and the big one there. So yeah, I don't have newspaper, so I just had to improvise with what I had. I don't have patience anymore. I just have to be quick with this. I don't have time. I actually work today, so I need to finish this quickly. Okay. We're good. I'm gonna put this aside because I still have more items to add here. And I'm going to be packing the rest. I'm so tired. I just like start wrapping my sofa. I don't know what to do with it. Like I keep taping it under the, the sofa, but you see, like this. But it's not sticking. So I don't know what to do.